Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, November the 4th. I am out here in the Fayetteville, Georgia area. This is a new client, Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly actually found me online. She also went to my website. My website led her to my YouTube channel. She also said, Courtney, I read through a lot of your reviews. You have some great reviews. Could not find one person to say one bad thing about you. So anyway, guys, I am in I think I just said I'm in Fayetteville, Georgia. So I never came out like a lot of my jobs now. I'm not even doing consultations. I'm just having them send me pictures, get the measurements. She got her husband to get the measurements. It's about 810 square feet. This is the engineered floor, and what they're going to be doing today is a screen recoat with the UV cure. Also went out and did a consultation this morning in Liburn, and they're going to be going with the screen and recoat with the UV cure as well. So anyway, guys, let me show you what I got going today. So again, I am out here in Fayetteville, Georgia. It's a beautiful neighborhood, beautiful neighborhood out here in Fayetteville. All right, so let me show you guys what I'm going to be doing. UV cure. I'm going to be going with the satin finish rag coat. So we got these floors right here, guys, which are not bad. But again, you can see the floors are starting to take some wear in certain areas. So we're going to be doing this combo room right here. Also this little area right here by the bar. So here, swing into this area right here. Living room, family room combo. Goes into the foyer, comes around into the bathroom, small potty room, and then the living room. So I've already tested a few of my pads to get a good grit, and you can see that I am getting a good screening. So what I'm going to do is screen these floors down, clean them, vacuum them, recoat, UV cure. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, got these floors screened, vacuum cleaned, and did a little color correction. Me and my client, Miss Kelly, just sitting here talking, and hold on, guys, someone's calling me, but I'm about to put down the rag coat. That's my technician, Kevin. So let me show you guys. So I got my fresh roller, got my bucket ready, my trim pad. Now it's time for the show. All right, guys, so again, floors are screened. Miss Kelly said she could see the huge difference when she could tell where some of the residue was. So again, did a little light color correction on some of the edges because the boards were not even. So some of it was already gone. Some of the edges were already knocked off. But sometimes during the screening process, because the boards are uneven, it will probably like knock off a little bit of the veneer. So took care of that. Now I'm about to get the finish down. All right, guys, stay tuned. Ain't that right, Miss Kelly?
That's right.
Yes. Hey guys, so I just got back from lunch about the UV cure. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Can't even tell.
No.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that.
It looks like a brand new floor.
Wow. It looks.
Well, actually, it's better than it did brand new.
It looked better than it did brand new. Wow. All right, guys, I just got back from lunch. I'm about to UV cure the floor. Look how good this floor came out with the rag coat finish. Miss Kelly just can't stop staring at it.
No, I can't. It's unbelievable.
And actually with certain sheens, again, we went with a low sheen. You can actually see more characteristics in the floor that I didn't even really recognize. See like these little holes, and again, she said she wanted that rusted look of the floor. So this is how the floor is made. But guys, look how good this floor looks now. Wow. So now what I'm about to do is get the machine plugged up. And we're gonna start doing some UV curing. Oh yeah, she's really happy with it. You can tell when your clients are happy with
When
the...
I'm staring at it.
All right, guys, also had a few new consultations come in within the last few hours. All right, guys, we're gonna start UV curing. Wow. I'm gonna keep my little light on. This floor really looks good. All right, guys. All right, time for the magic. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is gonna do it. Floors look immaculate. My client, Miss Kelly, she had nothing but positive things to say about this floor today. And she did go with the UV Cure Recoat system. And these floors look amazing. High five, Miss Kelly. Floors look amazing, guys. You know, one thing I will say, guys, as a contractor dealing with people every single day, one of the things about me that I have such a good reputation, I love to engage with my clients. I don't mind my clients watching me. And if any of my clients ever have an issue, I do my best to make sure that I can take care of the issue by any means necessary. I'm not the type of company to, run off on my clients. If they have issues, not come back, see what the problem is. Also giving my clients the best services possible. And a lot of things that Miss Kelly was telling me today that she looks for in a company while she hired me. One was my videos. It showed her what I was doing. Two, my reviews. She said, Courtney, you have some very great reviews, but you also had up-to-date reviews. Three, she said, Courtney, it was not about so much the price. It was just having someone out here that was going to do the job right. And four, as a bonus, and I've heard this before, she said also, Courtney, I didn't want somebody who can do it too soon, because that makes me think, well, why isn't your schedule full where you can get to it within the next 2 or 3 days, and a lot of clients, and again, everyone's different, but a lot of people think that way, because I had a lady call me a few years ago and she said the same thing. She called me and her first question was, how soon can you get to me? And I wasn't ready for the question. I mean, I was, but I wasn't ready for her reply. And I looked at my schedule. I said, ma'am, unfortunately, I won't be able to get to you till next week. I was like a week booked out. She said, that's what I wanted to hear. She said, I have other companies telling me that they can get to it today or tomorrow. And that's not good to me. If you can get to it to me that soon, she just felt like that was a red flag. So anyway, guys, floors are done. And I'm going to let this machine cool down because it does get hot. And Miss Kelly, thank you so much again for trusting me with your floors. I greatly appreciate it.
No, great. Fixed a bunch of my problems.
You see that, guys? See what I'm saying? Clients who just want the problem solved. That's all they want, is someone to come out here and solve the problem. All right, guys, and of course, branding, marketing does play a huge part in that. So again, pulling up with, your vehicles, letters. I'm not saying you have to have a wrap, but at least letting people know who you are when you are in the neighborhood. And yeah, man, just doing a great job and becoming trustworthy. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Now I'm about to head back to Gwinnett County. Got to do a consultation in Flowery Branch, so I'm gonna be on the road for a minute, but it's okay. At least I'm out here making people happy. All right, guys, see you in the next one.